I guide you two ways to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. For the latest version of Instagram, vanish mode changed as disappearing messages. Let's see how to turn on disappearing messages or either vanish mode. So let's go to your Instagram, go to the chats. Here you can find a chat where you want to turn on vanish mode or disappearing messages. If you go to the chat and scroll up or swipe up, you can see disappearing messages or your vanish mode is turned on. If you swipe up, it will turn off. This is a way. Another thing is that go to the profile and here you can see disappearing messages or you can see vanish mode over there and click here if you want to make turn it on and you can click any of these options. So this is how you can turn on vanish mode on Instagram. Thank you.